My dear students, I welcome you for the first academic session of this academic year 2020-2021. Today we are in a very different situation and we are meeting for the new semester totally in a different mode for our teaching learning process. This semester will be missing you all in the campus and you will be missing your classes, your teachers, your friends. Anyway, we have to continue with our teaching learning process. You have to study your courses and we have to teach you, we have to deliver the contents through you in a best possible manner. And what we have decided is each one of us, each teacher will try to do his best in this difficult situation. We have decided to conduct total 5 modules, each module of 8 lectures each. Each individual teacher will be in contact with you through emails and through the WhatsApp groups. We have already formed the WhatsApp groups class wise. Teachers will send you their lecture notes in the form of PDF files, in the form of PowerPoint presentation files. You are supposed to go through those files carefully, and at the end of each module, that means once the study material in the form of notes has been delivered to you for 8 lectures, there will be 2 video lectures that will be delivered by the teacher and the files will be made available to you through your WhatsApp group links. You are supposed to watch those 2 video lectures based on the content of that particular module, and the teacher will ensure that the most difficult part, derivations, problems, are covered in those 2 lectures. Then at the end of this module, that means 8 lecture notes delivered and 2 video lectures delivered, we are going to conduct one interactive session with the students for each subject. And in those interactive sessions, you will be able to ask the questions to your teacher and get your queries resolved. And similar 5 modules will be delivering throughout this semester. The rest of the things will be communicated to you from time to time. I appeal to all of you to look at your WhatsApp groups formed by us almost daily. You will find study material there, you will find the links for video lectures and so on. And study from your home and try to understand as much as possible. So we are aware of the situation and we know that it's not easy. Even online delivery of all the lectures is not an easy task for us also and for you also, because there is a difference between the environment in the classroom, what you understand in the classroom when you see the live lecture teacher in front of you in the classroom, your friends are with you, the environment is totally different. And now you will have to study these things on your own with the aid of these video lectures or lecture notes in isolation at home, and it's not going to be a very easy job. But anyway, we have to come out of this situation, we'll fight it out, and hopefully we'll again meet in the next semester in our regular teaching learning mode. We want to see all of you in the campus as early as possible. We are eager to see you around us as early as possible, because in campus last few months we are observing there is no life, because if the students are not there in the campus, there is nothing in the campus, there is no life in the campus. So I hope very soon, before the beginning of the next semester, by December or January 2021, things will come to normalcy and we will be with you once again in the campus. Before that, during this semester, all of us are trying our best. We are preparing our lectures, lecture notes. We have started already working on this from last more than 1.5 months, and we will try to do our best. And I hope that we'll be able to teach all your subjects in satisfactory manner. So maybe once again at some point of time, maybe after the end of first module, I will interact with you. I'm going to start with the formal session for final year students to whom I am teaching. I'll be teaching them chemical reactor design. So they will receive the video lectures on YouTube channel. And as I told you, there will be 8 lectures in each module in the form of PDF files or PowerPoint presentation files, 2 video lectures and 1 interactive session in one module. Such 5 modules we are going to deliver during this semester. We have also decided that this is a generalized plan which we have made, but it is flexible. We have made it flexible for our teachers. If some teachers wants to deliver the complete syllabus, all the lectures in the form of video lectures, about 40-45 lectures in the form of video lectures of 1 hour each, then they are permitted to do so. So they will tell you how they have planned to deliver their course, the complete syllabus. So it can be a combination of both. I have decided for myself for chemical reactor design, I will be delivering all the lectures, all video lectures, 40-45 lecture, whatever number, will be made available on my YouTube channel. So my students can watch it, download it whenever they want, and those lectures are going to remain there. Maybe other students can also watch it if interested. Even the students from other institutes, if they come across that and feel like watching, they can also watch it. So I think this is sufficient as far as today's instructions. So from 17th of August, we are starting with online delivery of lectures in Lakshmi Narayan Institute of Technology to 3rd semester, 5th semester and 7th semester classes of chemical engineering and all divisions of chemical technology. So thank you very much. Keep in touch with your teachers through emails, through WhatsApp messages, and if required, whenever required, please feel free to contact me. You can send me a mail, you can call me, and as all of you know, my email and my both mobile numbers are available on the website for any difficulty. So when we are saying this online delivery from our side, but from your side, if you face any difficulties regarding this, so first you contact your concerned teachers, head of the departments, and you can also contact me and we'll try to resolve your difficulty. We'll try our best to do so. So, thank you very much, and once again, welcome to the new academic term in a totally new form. Thank you.